Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low compared to the U.S. currency. The U.S. dollar is being sold for an average $157.55. The record before was $157.45 set on January 26 this year. Meanwhile, $123.74 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $212.73 for the pound. The euro is costing an average $180.88. Proven Investments has completed the acquisition of Fidelity Bank Cayman. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Proven says it purchased all the issued shares for $31.8 million. The transaction was completed on February 1. On March 16, 2021, Proven entered into the share purchase agreement with Fidelity Bank and Trust International to acquire Fidelity Bank Cayman. The shares will be transferred to Proven Bank Holdings, owned by Proven Investments, which was incorporated in Cayman. Automated banking machines ABM transactions reached a three-year high at the end of October 2021. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ has shared the country's payment system data up to October. Javon Keys has more.
There were 6 million automated banking machine transactions in October 2021. This amounted to $169 million. This was the highest for a month since 2019. During the same period in 2020, there were 5.4 million transactions involving $130 million. At the same time, point-of-sales machine transactions declined for the month of October compared to the same period in 2020. There were 3.7 million transactions compared to 4 million the previous year. The value of transactions, however, increased comparatively, amounting to $64 million versus $58 million in 2020. More Jamaican dollar debit cards were in circulation at the end of October. The central bank says 4.39 million cards were in circulation compared to 3.74 million at the end of October 2020. The increase is directly linked to more banks encouraging customers to do more ABM and virtual transactions due to the pandemic. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 748 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 26 points. The winning stocks included Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Express Catering, Fesco, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and General Accident Insurance Company. While on the losing side were Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Dolphin Cove, Epley, Caribbean Property Fund, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Main Event Entertainment Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.